gosh. Oh! Fucking hell.
That was a big
The torch has to play catch up.
Yeah. How's that guy holding this? He's got a string around his neck.
When they sprint, it's like they're like bringing their knees right up to their chins because you can hear the little feet going bum, 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 but not fairly going anywhere.
We got a plane. We can get out of here. And bombs.
Oh, and the radio.
I got it, boss. Hiya! Oh, wow. Who uses this?
How are you supposed to get that out of here?
Did they build? Is this like a workshop? They build it in here.
How is he supposed to get it out?
We have the best stealth fighter ever. No one will find it.
Rockets this way. Weapons of mass destruction this way. Oh gosh.
The Russian scientists, Russian spies come in, just like, oh, where do you keep all the nukes? Oh, just follow the signs. How do we get in here?
I don't know.
We clearly don't look like military personnel.
Oh, you definitely don't. Oh.
What?
I hear growling.
Oh, we're fine. It's not like there's an evil demon down here right now. I'm sure it's nothing. You have red trousers on, mate.
You're dressed as a skeleton. let's talk about fashion here.
What are you
what's
playing?
this? More signs, Chris.
What are you playing?
White noise. Oh, we've got UFOs to the left.
We've got various crates to the right and UFOs to the left.
Yeah, sweep it.
Check those corners.
Check those corners. Wait, do I do a moonwalk? Wait, let's see you do it. MJ's in the house.
Oh, what's that sign?
Oh, computers. I think.
I want to follow the robot burger sign.
The robot burger sign.
That's an actual robot burger. Right, we haven't. Do you reckon this is the burger? The robot burger.
Doesn't look very robot-y, nor does it burgery.
Yeah. They just got McDonald's plastered on the side of it. Try our new sub. But did you see him?
No, I heard him.
Alright.
Oh, look. Boobs.
What?
Oh, I know. Fetuses is.
Oh, let's go there. Yeah, I can hear someone down here. Oh, it's another bit of the tree.
I think it's the same bit of the tree.
No, it's different.
How do you know?
Because it is. Trust me.
Oh! No,
Oh.
no.
That was a man.
Wow! I just saw his arm. I just pissed myself.
Alright, well, we have one option. Michael Jackson, all the way out. You can't kill me. Yeah, just did the teleport noise. Hello?
Hi.
Hey.
If you shake your camera around when you run, it makes it look more dramatic.
You look insane from behind. That's weird. I'm sorry. Oh, what's this? What's this? We found it. The baby. The feti room.
The feti room. What the fuck are you playing?
He sounds close.
He sounds angry.
Oh, found it. Right, we've got one more, mate. Where have we been that we haven't? Ah, crap! No. No, we haven't got one. UFO room?
I think so.
Or bomb room? Yep, the other way. Good plan.
Oh, he's really close. He's really close.
Yeah, when you scream, dramatic running.
He was like basically like on your heels there.
Really?
He was about flat towering you there.
Okay, right, he's getting...
Getting a little bit too comfy.
Just keep running. Just keep running.
Take the right.
Yep. No, that's the jail. That's CQB.
Oh yeah, I'm gonna take the jail. No, I'm not.
Right, I'm taking the jail.
Yeah, me too.
That's the glow up persuasion. Right, I'm just gonna turn right. I'm not even gonna bother about looking left.
Actually, okay. He's there.
Was he left?
Yeah, he was. I'll keep that.
He sounds really damn close.
He sounds really damn pissed.
Yeah.
Stop taking my thing!
We keep taking his audio recordings of Harry Potter. He just wants to listen to Stephen Fry.
Stephen Fry's suits me.
Other way, other way. And Harry went to Hogwarts, just like that.
I'm happy now!
It's just
I'm happy now!
just see him sitting in the corner listening to it with his like headphones on, like an hour, like bloody remains next to him. He's like, yeah. Oh, what?
That's cheating. What
Wait,
wasn't here?
Picture.
Oh, sign.
What's that? Whoa! Not cool.
You alive? Yep. Okay, this guy's cheating.
Ah!
How close is he?
It's all serene
Right.
now.
As long as I don't turn around, everything's You're a ghost! Right, I'm just gonna commit, alright? Left. No.
Which is wrong.
Oh, yes! What was that smashing noise?
I can't.
It's gone red. Wait, hang on, what?
You were always the monster.
I was actually the monster the entire time. Does it say where you died? Wow, we
We've just
missed.
gone round in a massive square.
Harry Potter audiobook.